Hello my friends and welcome back. Today is my favorite day. It is club unboxing day. So if you are not familiar with the Club La La Land Crafts monthly club kit, this is the official unboxing and reveal of a couple of the projects that we've been working on as a design team. So I'm going to open up. This is how your little kit's going to come to you in this beautiful gold foil packaging. And mine comes early, so mine isn't actually sealed. I've already been playing with it and using it. But I'm going to open it up just like this is the first time I saw it and show you everything that you get in your kit. So we're going to start first with our stamps. So let me open up the package. This is how your stamps are going to come. The way that I store them is on this. This is a nice glossy surface, and so it'll hold your rubber stamps perfectly. And then we have our two rubber stamps here, which I can't really show you much, but this is because we don't want anybody taking our images. So this is, unfortunately, you're going to see these all colored up and done in just a second when I do the project shares, but just know that this is how your stamps come. They're gorgeous, deep etched red rubber stamps. You always get two sets, one with your secondary images and one with your Marcy. This month is Farmer Marcy, so I'm going to put these kind of off to the side like this. Been having some troubles. Poor Irina. She works so hard on these images just to have people steal them and reproduce them. It's very frustrating. Very frustrating for us because then we can't show you as much as that we would like to show you, but I hope that you understand. Next is your dies. So again, I get my stuff early, so I've already opened these and used them to create my projects, but I'm going to show you real quick. This month you get this awesome farm truck, and what I did originally is I cut it out using all the white and put it together, all white cardstock, just so that I could see. Sometimes when I get these kits, I'm never really sure what all the pieces are until I actually cut them out. And then it's pretty self-explanatory once you cut them out. So for this truck here, you get your base, you get your window, you get your little wooden rack that goes in the back, you get some running panels, your wheels, and this cuts out the hubcaps separately so that you can make them nice and shiny, and then your fenders here. And the fenders you can do, I did two different projects with using this truck. One, I did like a blinged out truck where all this was all silver, chrome, and then I did one where it was more of just like a farm truck where these were just the same color as the truck itself, and it wasn't all fancy. So I did two of them, but this is what it looks like when you put it together, and this is the size. So here's this one here, and then you get a barn. So here's the barn, and then I also cut this one out and put it together. So you can see here that these are your doors, your barn doors. These can also be used as fences. So if you want fencing on either side, you can also use these as fencing, or as your typical barn doors where it would look like this. Here, hopefully you can see that really well. Bring it up close. There. You've got your window frames, which I did. You can see the white frame around. This fits over this perfectly, so I think that's where it goes. That's where I put it, or it's just more fencing. But I put it right above here because I thought it looked cute up there. So that's where that is, and then you've got your roof. So here are all of your dies that come in the kit this month. I'll set those down so you can see those. I really wish I could have those facing the other way. Anyway, so now I'm going to show you my projects. So for this month, I decided to make kind of like a Polaroid type card. So you've got my Marcy here, which I have her all colored up. All of the coloring details will be listed on the post along with this. Pictures of this card. But I did this really cute plaid shirt and a plaid band on her little hat here. And just, basic colors I wanted to match with the paper pack, and this is the Love You More paper pack, I think. Nope, not Love You More. This one is, hold on. Let's see. Okay. Little Merry Christmas. This one is Little Merry Christmas. And I loved the colors. That's why, like, she matches. You can see here her shirt is the same as this. Her pink is the same as this, like salmon color. And then I made the barn red because in the little Merry Christmas pack there is red also within all of the same color scheme. And so it all goes together. The truck kind of matches her shirt and everything. I kind of tried to stick with like a tri and then a pop of red. So that's how this worked out. And then I've got Farm Fresh with Love. We've used the scalloped rectangle dies. I've thrown a tag in here so that I could put a little natural jute on here for a little extra element. And then I've got one of the hexagon dies from one of your other kits, the B kit. And I placed that here so there's like this little element sticking out just to give it a little bit more interest. And then I've got Farm Fresh Grown with Love is one of your sentiments. And then that's it. Open it up and can do whatever you like on the inside, but this is for my Marcy project. Thought this came out really cute. Very excited. And then for the subscriber only project, this is a fun, you know, I've been wanting to do a lot more of the fun fold cards. So this is a fun fold card, and it's one of the newer type fun fold cards that are out there. Lots of people are making them. I made a few adjustments to this to make it fit my needs. I still have a little bit of tweaking to do here, but this is your subscriber project. So in a minute, I will show you where to find your subscriber project. But if you go and you want to make this, I have a video for you showing you the whole thing from beginning to end, not sped up, real time, how we make this card. So here is the theater card. And hopefully I can get my lights. So this is how it ends up. This is what it looks like. So if you're, you know, once you've opened it and given it to somebody, they can leave it sitting like this on a shelf or on their desk or whatever, and then they can see the little scene on the inside. But you can see there that I've got the farm, I'm sorry, the barn, and then the truck. And this truck doesn't have as much bling as this truck does. So on this truck, I kind of decked it out a little with the foil accents everywhere, and then on this one it's more, that's a working truck, so it's just got only a little bit of chrome here and there, just like where it would normally come, but the fenders are just the same color as the truck itself. And my lights, understand that my lights are set up so that this is lit up well, but because you don't have a top on it, when it's sitting on the shelf or like on your desk, the natural light from up above is going to light up the inside nicely, so you'll be able to see it. But the way that my lights are set up in here for videoing are a little bit wonky for you to see well without the shadows, but it's a really cute idea. I love it. We're going to do this on a Facebook Live in just a little while using some of the new, probably like the June release that's coming up. I will design another one of these using that, and I will do a little bit more tweaking to make it absolutely perfect, hopefully. And yeah, but this is your subscriber video, and let me show you where to find that. So this, I don't have, don't hate me, I don't have this for this month because I work for like the next 4 or 5 days. So all of this is going to go live before I have a day off to actually do any editing or videoing. So I'm doing mine super early, and the infographics are not done yet for me. So I'm showing you the one from last month just so that you know what it looks like and where to find the information that I think a lot of you are missing. So you probably are like me when you get your package in the mail, you grab it, you throw this to the side, you open it up, and then you start playing with all your new toys, and you don't even really pay much attention to this. But this has a lot of good information on it for you. So this is going to tell you everything that should be in your kit. So if you're missing something, this is where you want to make sure that you have everything that you think you're supposed to have in your kit. Underneath here, look at that, exclusive project tutorials from the design team. And right here, there will be a link, an address for you to go to, and that has projects just for subscribers. So this is where you want to go. I know there's nothing here because we block it off for videoing so that people that are not subscribers to the kit aren't coming in and getting your tutorials that we put on for you guys. So this is where you're going to need to go look on your kit. When your kit comes, this one for this month will be in it, and it will have that information there. And then it also tells you where to go for the Facebook group, and you know, all the other information. How much this kit's retail value is on here, and then a little thing of this is ideas for coloring. Irina colors these up for you, and she does some beautiful work, so this will give you some inspiration for coloring your images as well. So that is it. I'll put that off to the side since it's really not a part of this kit, and I can't really flip these over, but know that you get 2 big red rubber sets, one with Marcy and one with the bunnies and the carrots. So it's bunnies and carrots. Marcy's on the other one. Really great sentiments are in there, and when you get your infographics, all the sentiments will be on there as well, so you'll be able to see what comes in it. And then your 2 absolutely adorable die sets where you've got your little farm truck and your barn. So thank you very much for spending this 10 minutes with me. I hope you guys enjoy this kit when it gets to you, and you have a lot of fun creating with it, and I'll see you again real soon with some more projects from the May kit. Bye-bye.